Hi guys, so welcome to the LAT video 2 for the class of 2027. So this video is about Pythagorean Theorem.
Okay, so the Pythagorean Theorem is this equation which states that the sum of the squares of the legs, which is a and b, equals the hypotenuses squared.
The hypotenuse is always the larger, the larger side length.
And
So
then
in a
it's
right
up.
angle triangle.
Yeah, so it only works in a right triangle, and A and B are the two legs that make up the 90-degree angle, and the hypotenuse is always the bigger side that is more tilted.
Yes, this works because if you do a square with side lengths
B and D.
so if this is B and this is B, so B squared plus A times A, it'll be equal to the square made in C, where this is C and this is C as well. So if you check, it's going to be the equation that's this square equals this square plus this square.
Anyway, okay. So we have three problems that we have to solve.
So here, all of them are right angle triangles. The first has legs 4 and 7. So we have to find x, which is the hypotenuse, using this equation.
For this one, A would be 7, B would be 4, and C would be x that we don't know.
So we need to fit the numbers into this equation in order to find the hypotenuse.
So that would be 7 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. And then this becomes 49 plus 16 equals x squared. And then x squared equals this plus this equals 60.
Squared.
Yeah, and then to remove this square, we use square roots both sides, which becomes x equals
The square root of 65. Maybe it'll be a whole number. So if it was for 64, for example, then it'd be 8 because 8 times 8 equals 64. But in this case, you either leave it like that or you use a calculator to round it to 3 significant figures. So if we did that,
We can explain that in another video.
okay, this is the second exercise where we know one of the legs and the hypotenuse, so we're missing the third leg.
So
The second leg.
A equals 6,
B equals x.
and then B equals x, and we have the hypotenuse is
C equals 11.
so 6 squared. So 6 squared is 36 plus x squared equals 121. So now we are gonna have to switch the sides.
Yeah, we
to
solved the
either
normal
x.
equation, so minus 36 in both sides would be
So no, 121 minus 36. 1. So this is gonna be negative 85 equals negative x squared. So we can cross out the negatives and then just do square roots, and maybe we're gonna get something with the square root or simplify square roots, which we're gonna explain in the other video. So we're gonna keep that as the answer. So square root of 85.
okay. So the third one, now we know we only know the hypotenuse, which is the square root of 10, and we know both legs, which both are x. So here, A equals x, B equals x, and C equals square root of 10. Okay, so using that equation, we do square root of 10 squared equals x squared plus x squared, which is 2x squared. So knowing that, we cut both out because
They're opposites.
Yeah.
Opposite operations.
so 10 equals 2x2 divide both sides by 2. So x squared equals 5, and therefore x equals the square root of 5.
Which we can simplify since it's an irrational number.
So rounding to 3 significant figures is something really important, and in the test you'll probably need to round to the 3 significant figures. So for example, if you get to an answer using a calculator or long division, and you get this decimal, for example, a very, very long decimal, and so on, you need to round it to the 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. You need to stop here, but then you need to stop here in the 3rd significant figure, and then you have to see the one that was left out, and round it up or down depending on whether it's bigger or smaller than 5. In this case, it's 4, so it's smaller than 5. So say 4.31, and that'll be your final answer.